Everyone, David here, and welcome to a new episode of Essential Marketing, where our mission is to provide helpful tips and tricks to anybody who's interested in marketing. And today I have an awesome tool that we are super stoked to be able to present to you guys, and it's what we're calling the CitySwitcher. And so here you can see an example. Our website, since we have our headquarters is in Tacoma, our website is optimized for Tacoma, but we serve customers across the globe. And so when a person comes across one of our ads and they click through to our website, then the city name will be replaced with where the person is searching from. And historically, whenever we would set this up, it would require programming from our developers because they would set up essentially a lookup table in the database. I can even show you guys real quick. This is the raw data that Google themselves, they provide. So there's a CSV file that has all of the different cities. So this is what the file actually looks like. So it has all the different cities and with an ID. And what happens is that your developers, they can create a lookup function. So for anybody who clicks through from an ad, that you could then find out, well, what is the city that corresponds to that location ID, and then make the replacement on the back end. The problem with that is every single time you have to then explain this to a developer, have them implement it, and that kind of thing. Well, now we have just established a simple script that can be placed on any website. It could be a WordPress website, it could be a Wix website, Square. It doesn't really matter what system you're using because it is JavaScript. And so this is what the JavaScript looks like. You would embed it anywhere on the page, and then you define which city name do you want to replace. Then it loads in the data that we're providing from our database, and it just replaces it with the city from where a person is originating their search. So what does that look like? Well, let's say somebody is searching for Marketing Bellevue, they would see our ad hopefully at the top. And if they click through to that, then what Google AdWords would do is it passes through an ID, and I'll provide more information in the comments of how you can set that up. But Google AdWords will send through the location ID, and that location ID is then used to determine that, oh, okay, well, this person is originating from Bellevue, and then it just swaps out Tacoma versus Bellevue. So it works for any website. If you guys are interested, you can fill out a form, and then we're more than happy to provide access to it, to this script, to anybody free of charge. And so why does this matter? Well, it can help with the conversion rate. This technique, this tool, the sole purpose of its existence is to improve conversion rate. From 100 people who come to our website, we're trying to get even 1, 2, 3 more people to actually take it in action. And we're able to achieve that because for the person who's searching, they will see that, hey, we provide service in Bellevue, we provide service in Redmond. In our case, even though we're located in Tacoma, we go out and visit our customers. And this helps stress that and emphasize that. It works really well for the service sector. So if you're a contractor providing services in a larger region and you're trying to rank for those near me searches, if you're trying to rank for plumber near me, and the geographic footprint that you have is several miles, then this really can help with the conversion rate. So we're super happy to be able to provide this tool. We're also super happy that whenever we're bringing on new customers, it's so much easier now for us to implement this tactic because it really can help improving that conversion rate. So hopefully you guys enjoy this. Again, more information is going to be in the comments of this video of how you can download the script, how you can get access to it, and how you can implement it yourself. If you enjoyed it, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and we'd love to hear from you guys in the future. Take care and bye.